Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor and welcome to the series of tutorials of our product. So in this video we are going to cover the fifth page of the dashboard, that is the stock which are approaching the hotspots. So what do we mean by the stocks approaching the hotspots? Basically we have defined the hotspots as the dynamic resistance or support zones. So you are already aware about the resistance and support zones if you have already traded in the market. So for the viewers who don't know about the support and resistance zones, so support zones are, if I just define in a short sentence, that support is something where the buying pressure comes or where the buyers are sitting to buy the stock or the symbol, and the resistance zone is where the sellers are more dominant, so where the sellers are waiting for the price to come in order to sell their positions. So these are the support and resistance zone. So it can be static support and resistance zones depending on the chart patterns, or they can be dynamic based on the moving averages and the 52-week high-low zones. So in this tab we have basically shown the dynamic support and resistance zones because they really help us to find out the right trend and act accordingly. So you can see that starting from the first visual on the top row, you can see that the stocks in strong uptrend. So basically we have taken here in this particular tab 50, 100 and 200 day moving averages in order to show the dynamic support and resistance zones. Why we have taken 50, 100 and 200? Basically 50 tells us about the medium term, 100 which is again a medium term, and 200 is the long term moving averages. So basically it gives you an idea of the high level trend of the particular symbol or stock which is going on. Plus in a particular visual we have also included the 20-day EMA in order to tell you the strong uptrend. So let's see with the first visual, that in the first visual you can see the symbol, the current price, the close price in the last trading day, then the 20-day EMA. Okay, so that is the exponential moving average. In this particular visual, why we have used exponential moving average? Because exponential moving average gives more weightage to the recent prices. So it reacts more to the recent prices. So that gives us a pretty good picture of how the dynamic support resistance are changing. Okay, so now you can see that all the symbols which are listed here, they are actually in a strong uptrend. How can we say that they are in a strong uptrend? Because they are above their 20-day EMA, that is the short term moving average, then 50-day moving average, that is the medium term moving average, and 20-day EMA, that is the long term exponential moving average. So this price is actually quoting above all three moving averages. So you can imagine that how strong uptrend it is going on. So basically it is above all the three EMAs. So this could help you. So if you have a bullish view and you want to trade in those stocks which are in the stock uptrend, so basically this visual will filter out those stocks or those symbols in the FNO stocks in which you can trade for the bullish view. Okay. So now coming to the second visual, that tells us about the stocks which are approaching the 200-day moving average. So we believe that 200-day moving average is basically for the long-term investors, and basically it is considered where the long-term buyers or buyers who have a view of around 6 months to 1 year, they are sitting to buy or sell the particular symbol or the stock. So whenever the stocks comes near the 200-day moving average, they take it as a reference and try to find out what is the trend. So this particular visual filters out all the symbols which are near the 200-day moving average. Now depending on whether it is below the 200-day moving average or above the 200 moving average, you can take the decision accordingly. Now coming to the third visual, it is filtering all the symbols which are approaching the 100-day moving average, and similarly the last visual tells us the stocks which are approaching the 50-day moving average. Now coming to the second row in which 52-week high and low zones play the role. Now you can see in the first visual we have filtered out all the stocks which are in the 52-week high zone. So what is 52-week high zone? We have taken all the stocks which are around the range of 5% of their recent 52-week highs. So you can see that what is the current price and whatever is the 52-week high, so they are very much near to the 52-week high. So it means that these stocks are bullish and in a bullish uptrend, and you can imagine that they can be on the verge of breaking out the 52-week highs. It may or may not, but there is a chance that since they have already approached in the 52-week high zone, so there is a chance that they can actually break the 52-week high zone. So you can build up a bullish view in these particular stocks. Now coming to the second visual, stocks which have already made the 52-week high. So you can see the current market price and the 52-week high. So basically these symbols tell us that which stocks have made the recent 52-week highs in the last trading day. So basically all those stocks are filtered here. Now coming to the third and fourth visual, you can see the stocks approaching the 52-week low zone and the stocks which have already made the 52-week low. So these stocks are in strong downtrend, you can say, because they are very much in underperforming stocks because they are near their 52-week low zones or made the 52-week lows. So currently there is no stock as of now which has made the 52-week low zone or the 52-week low. So that's why these particular tables are in blank state. Okay, so friends, with this we come to the conclusion of this video, and hopefully you have got the idea of the dynamic support and resistance zones using the moving averages and the 52-week high low zones. If you have any questions related to this particular tab, please post your questions on the comment section and we will definitely answer your questions. See you in another video. Take care and goodbye.